Get the new bucket.
Get the new bucket. Get it. This is it. They got that new bucket on the block. Golden crispy Southern Kitchen fried chicken.
Get the new bucket.
Making flavored marinated fried chicken.
Get the new bucket.
Delicious size with our Southern Kitchen fixing.
Get the new bucket.
This is it. Southern Kitchen fried chicken.
This is its new bucket on the block. Order online at thisisitbbq.com for pickup or delivery.